Walk into the kitchen area. As you can see, this is the kitchen area. Lot of plans in here. This may be one of our maybe last things that we transform because we want to get everything else kind of situated in here. But I would like to have this entire kitchen redesigned, restructured. I think that there's a greater opportunity to take advantage of the space. As you can see, for example, here's the pantry here, and I don't think they make use of the wall space inside the wall. So I do think that maybe we could have contractors come out and take a look at maybe knocking the wall out to make sure we get all the space in there, or even moving the pantry in a different location in here. I would also like the option to hide the pantry door, so maybe once it's redesigned, we have doors that look like the cabinet. So